Hi, this is Ans. You're watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a topic on the casting in the Python language. Python language is almost the easiest language than HTML or other languages because in Python we can see our code in the English like words and we can easily understand them because in this video we are going for our casting. Casting we use for the type of our data. For example, in the X we are storing our string, okay, value is 7. In the Y we are storing integer, so the type is integer, we are storing 4 in the integer data type. And next in the Z we have a float data type which means 2. So if you are worrying about why this 2 has not point, so this point will exactly show in your output. So next we have to print our X. X is here. You have to print 7. You have to next print your Y, and next you have to print your Z. So in the X, Y and Z you have these values 7, 4 and 2, but we are declaring their data type, means the casting. So we are going for running it. Run current script, and here you can watch here the output. 7 is your string, 4 is your integer, and the 2.0 is because of your float. So this is how you can go for casting in your Python language. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.